You speak to me in a sign language, eating a sandwich in a small cafe at a 2:45. But I can respond to your sign language, taking advantage, bringing me down. Can't you make any sound? Was there by the bakery, surrounded by fakery. This is my story, still I'm still there. Does she know I still care? No, no, no. Lynn Gray was playing on a jukebox I was playing for the words I was saying, so misunderstood. He didn't do me no good. You speak to me in a sign language as I'm eating a sandwich in a small cafe at the 2:45. But I can respond to your sign language. You take